Have you ever wondered what actually counts as infidelity or cheating? For some people, the answer is simple. If sex is involved, it's cheating. And if it isn't, it isn't. But relationships are rarely that straightforward. Welcome back to Inside Aromacee. I'm Celia Veronica Paul, and in today's episode, we're looking at 7 types of infidelity and how trust can be broken in different ways. The first is physical infidelity. This is sexual or physical contact outside the relationship. But often, the deepest wound is not just the act. It's the secrecy, the lies, and the feeling that someone you trusted has broken that trust. The second is emotional infidelity. This is when a partner forms a close emotional connection with someone else. They may say nothing physical happened, but if emotional intimacy has moved outside the relationship, it can still feel like betrayal. Number 3 is cyber infidelity. This happens online. Secret messages, dating apps, flirting, intimate conversations, or hidden accounts. Even through a screen, trust can still be broken. Number 4 is object infidelity. This is when something else becomes a priority instead of the relationship. It could be work, gaming, pornography, alcohol, social media, or another distraction. The issue is often not the activity itself, it's the emotional absence it creates. Number 5 is financial infidelity. This involves hiding money, secret spending, gambling, hidden debt, or financial decisions kept from a partner. And because money is linked to trust and security, financial secrets can cause real damage. Number 6 is micro-cheating. These are small behaviors that create doubt. Flirting, deleting messages, hiding conversations, or keeping contact with someone in a secretive way. On their own, they may seem small, but over time, they can slowly erode trust. And finally, combined infidelity. This is when several forms of betrayal happen together. Emotional, physical, cyber, financial, and secrecy, all layered together. That is why infidelity can feel so overwhelming. You're not dealing with one breach of trust, you may be dealing with many. So when we talk about infidelity, it's not just about what happened, it's about the meaning attached to it, the trust that was broken, and whether that trust can be rebuilt. In the next episode, we'll look at one of the biggest questions people ask. Why do people cheat? Make sure you follow and subscribe to the podcast so you don't miss it. Until next time.